Practicing mindfulness through cooking and its impact on everyday life. Cooking is not just about preparing food. It is an opportunity to touch the present moment and experience mindfulness through the simplest daily actions. When you enter the kitchen with a clear intention and a calm mind, every movement takes on new meaning. The sound of chopping vegetables, the aroma of spices, the warmth of rising steam all become moments of meditation, inner peace, and soulful connection. In this state, cooking transforms into a nourishing experience that enhances the flavor of the food and carries your positive energy and love to those around you. At Mindful Eco, we believe that mindfulness in daily life can transform the way we see the world. Conscious cooking is one of the most beautiful and accessible ways to practice this awareness. When you are present and cook with love, you are not just feeding the body, you are nourishing the soul. This style of cooking is part of a minimalist and mindful lifestyle, a perspective that values simplicity, calm, and deep connection with oneself and nature. Mindful cooking means turning ordinary moments into meaningful and healing experiences. It means using your inner energy to create food that comforts not only the body but also the spirit. Cooking with mindfulness, clear intention, and inner peace can improve emotional well-being, strengthen family connections, and bring a sense of personal fulfillment. If you have never considered how your emotions affect your cooking, now is the time to begin a new experience. Just take a few deep breaths before you start. Look inward and set your intention. Let every movement in the kitchen be a reminder of presence and love. This video from Mindful Eco invites you to discover how simple daily tasks can become moments of clarity and calm. If you are seeking inspiration, awareness, and peace in your life, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By following Mindful Eco, you will never miss a video, and each day you will receive soulful content that brings you closer to a more mindful and intentional life. Mindful cooking is just the beginning, a path that leads to inner peace, positive energy, and a renewed experience of living. Start now and let every moment in the kitchen become a quiet journey within.